For over 20 years, Country Heritage Park, a privately held, not-for-profit charitable organization, nestled at the base of the Niagara Escarpment, has been connecting people through farming, food, and rural lifestyle heritage. We are passionate about engaging and educating students from kindergarten through grade 8. As a working farm, our programs bring the lessons to life. We provide strong curriculum-based, hands-on learning programs, including food literacy, history, outdoor education, and more. Our property is the perfect setting for any event, offering an 80-acre picturesque site that boasts charming indoor and outdoor venues for gatherings of all sizes. From corporate meetings to picture-perfect weddings, it's a tapestry painted by you with the enthusiastic support of our staff. We are proud supporters of community-inspired events and fundraisers. We share our space and hospitality because our community is your community. Please visit countryheritagepark.com for more information.